this is a how-to on removing the battery on a Dyson V8. This one is a V8 Animal. So what we need to do, obviously it's been taken out of the charging base, which is good. So we've got a couple of screws, or we've got 3 of them all together. There's one that's at the back, which is situated there. The camera picks it up. They're just Phillips screws. So let's do that one. Fairly long things. And there's 2 in the base. So we just squeeze that in there. The ones on the base, you want a fairly small Phillips screwdriver because otherwise you're rubbing quite hard against the plastic dust collector. Right, those should be out. And it just lifts up and out of place. And obviously refitting is the reversal. So you just insert it back in, 2 screws there, and obviously the one at the back here. So that's my video on how to remove and reinstall the Dyson V8 battery pack. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and I'll see you on another video. Bye.